Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So now we will take a second example by which we solve the question on the surface area of a cuboid. Okay, so first of all we make a cuboid and try to solve the question. So let's see surface area of cuboid. So what is cuboid? Cuboid is made from the rectangle. So this is a rectangle and area of a rectangle is a length into breadth. And this is second rectangle. So see we are very carefully how to make the cuboid. When we join the vertex of one rectangle to second rectangle, then we get a cuboid. So faces, how many faces it has? 6 faces, but all faces are different. That's why we cannot make the formula just like the cube, because cube have a square, but here cuboid have a rectangle. But we know what is the area of a rectangle. This is length into breadth. Okay, so here again we see, if we have a hall in our room, in our home, then how many wall? Here we have 4 wall, 1 ceiling and 1 floor. So here again we have 6 wall. And how to find the area? So surface area, you have to remember that surface area of a cuboid, again 6. If length of the floor is L, breadth is B and height is H, then how many floor? 2 floor. How many front wall? Again 2. How many side wall? Again 2. Okay. Front wall means L into H. Side wall means B H. And floral, this is L into B. Okay, so surface area, this is 2 times length into breadth. This is our floor and ceiling. Then side wall, this is breadth into height. This is our side wall. And then front wall, this is length, breadth, height, and H, L. First, length into breadth, 2 wall, that's breadth into height, again 2 wall, and L into H or H into L, again 2 wall. This is the surface area of a cuboid. The unit is square unit. Unit is a square unit. This is surface area of a cuboid. One very important question, that another question is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now what is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means area of a 4 wall. 4 wall, you have to neglect floor and ceiling. And what is the area of a floor? This is length into breadth. Okay, Now you have to neglect this one. You have to take these two and again 2 times. 2 times. This is breadth into height plus height into length, and unit is square unit. We can take out h. So what is the formula become? 2b plus L into h square unit. You see this formula in your book, but how this become? This is come from the 2 side wall, again 2 side wall, okay, and you have to neglect ceiling and floor. This is the lateral surface area of a cuboid. So 2 into b plus h into L square unit. So guys, I hope you have understand the topic and try to solve this type of question at your home from your book. Thank you. Have a nice day.